In Portland, Oregon, a coalition of tech companies called TechTown works together to advance workplace diversity, equity, and inclusion. TechTown Portland companies team up with local community partners in a sustained effort to attract, train, and retain diverse local talent. Creating equitable opportunity in tech won't happen overnight. These TechTown companies are literally taking steps to help close the gap.
Each fall, thousands of people have gathered in Portland's waterfront park for the 4K for Charity Fun Run.
Led by AWS Elemental, this unique event rallies the tech and business community, raising funds for nonprofits like Rosemary Anderson High School, whose curriculum offers expanded tech opportunities to underserved youth.
This could be the last chance for a student. When I found Rosemary Anderson, it was life-changing. Those opportunities to learn more about the tech field showed me I'm more than capable to be involved in it.
TechTown's reach extends beyond the city of Portland. New Relic partners with Innovate Oregon to bring tech project management skills into rural schools with underrepresented students.
We heard about Innovate Oregon and started working on a pilot together where we brought our employees who are managing teams of engineers together with teachers to think about how they could use agile practices in the classroom.
We're all trying to get work done. And that's the core of the work for us here as a partnership, is figuring out how to align humans with work.
Every time we talk, there's some idea of something that I can try.
She's likely to have 2,000 or 3,000 more students in her career. And so a half-hour a week and I can help 3,000 people.
Thesis leadership recognized that retaining top talent requires both intentional recruitment and a more diverse community of mentors.
Thesis founder Ryan Buchanan and 2 other Portland leaders started emerging leaders to break down barriers and obstacles for people to be able to have more opportunities within tech. We created a special program to make sure that there's more support, more avenues for networking, more avenues for development, as we want to make sure that leadership is more diverse in the city. Having over 900 inquiries, having over 400 applications, that's clear that there's a demand and there's a need for something like this.
The program pairs you up with companies and internships that are beyond just making copies or making coffee runs. You're actually getting to do real work for real clients.
Vacasa partners with the Treehouse Apprenticeship Program to source talent and create opportunities for local underrepresented individuals.
So my parents both immigrated here from Mexico. The tech industry, anything tech related, was unknown to me. So I was one of the 7 interns here at Vacasa, and we were all hired.
Treehouse has got a really good program that helps us engage with the local community. The apprentices punched above their weight. They were really smart, really engaged, highly motivated.
What else can I do that I didn't try before, or are there other skills that I can develop that I didn't know were possible for me?
TechTown companies know that hiring diverse employees is just the start. Companies must also encourage that talent to stay and help them thrive.
We are hosting the Cruise Diversity, Equity, Inclusion Ally Series Lunch and Learn. We bring speakers in to talk about gender, race, LGBTQ+, disabilities. Everyone is really hungry to take action. Being an ally is an action that we take, and we can reach outside of the tech bubble.
The work itself is how to be inclusive. It is how to make sure everyone's got a seat at the table, everyone's voice is getting heard, everyone's empowered to literally do their best. We're giving people the language, the tools to work through this stuff, to give them a safe space to practice these skills, to take action, because it's hard to fumble through it in the workplace. And if you have people working for you, there's a demand. Creating more inclusive workplaces means we're always learning. We have to be open-minded, and everybody's got to check their ego at the door. The TechTown Network helps support our employees by giving us access to things like the Ally Shift Workshop and this approved monthly lunch series. Sometimes the best approach is just amplifying what already exists. What connects TechTown members is that we're all focused on diversity, equity, and inclusion where we work because it's critical. TechTown engages communities, companies, and people to create new opportunities for leaders in tech. This is ongoing work, and we want you to be part of it. Go to techtownportland.com/together and help us build Portland tech for everyone.
3, 2, 1, and